Hello everyone. Are you wondering what no printer means? Let's explore. No printer is a phrase that comes from the expression facts, no printer, which means that something is true without exaggeration. It's used to confirm the accuracy or truthfulness of a statement, often in response to someone else's claim. The term plays on the idea of faxing a document, or what is sent is an exact replica of the original, implying that the information being shared is a fact with no alterations or lies. In everyday conversation, saying no printer is a way of agreeing with or validating something is completely true. This phrase is part of internet slang where playful language is used to affirm the honesty or legitimacy of what's being said. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.